Hi guys, from today we will make videos on AppLab. As you all know, we have over in RoboGarden, and from today we will make videos on AppLab. So first it is introduction of AppLab, and first the first screen which will be shown is this sign in. We have already signed in, and then we will go to AppLab, and it is starting. So this is the first screen which will be shown, and first there is code. There are three options in the first screen. First, code, in which there are many options: UI controls, data control, variables, canvas, turtle, maths, and functions. And there is design also. In design there are various options, and in this we can do anything like change the screen, and there are button also, and the data. In data we can change and update our app which we have made, and there are many options. So I am starting with how to change backgrounds by clicking on button. So there is button. So first we will drag the button on the screen like this. We will drag it in center, drag, and then we will stretch it like this. Yeah. And then like this also, and put it in center. I have not put it in center because I don't like it in center. So we can change the button, like change the background of the button to black, and change the font size of the text which was entered in the center. This. So I will write background. I will write it in caps lock. Like this. And then we will shift to code, and in code there are various options. So we will put on event this like this, and then we will do this is button 1, and as you can see button 1, there is written button 1, and here we will on event button. There is also various options, so we will choose click, and then we will choose set property. This is the main set property, and then screen 1, set property screen 1, then background color blue. Now we will run it. Now I am clicking on this. So we have successfully changed the background color by clicking on button. So bye guys, have a nice day, meet you in next video. Bye bye.